morning sun rising, dew on the leaves, roosters announcing new hopes to believe. Boots on the soil, hands in the dirt, every small effort is worth what it's worth. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, patience and prayer, through joy and through pain. From the crack of dawn till the stars at night, we hustle with dreams and a future in sight. On the farm with Chris, we grow our dreams, from tiny seeds to evergreen schemes. Every road tells a powerful story. Hard work today, harvest glory. Yeah, the land don't lie, it rewards the sweat. On the farm with Chris.